Rushing gardening jobs in January in the UK causes problems later every single year. Welcome to Gardening with Ben. We're talking about rushing jobs down at the plot today and down at the allotment. Now, obviously we're getting close to sowing season in March. It's going to be a very mental time down here at the plot. We're going to be sowing hundreds of packets of seeds and getting them all sown, and then once they're all growing, potted on, keeping them all watered. And yeah, it's going to be a busy time during March, April and May with all the sowing and the potting on and everything before we plant them out at the end of May. I'm up north, so I don't plant out until the end of May because that's when the chance of frost has passed here up north. So yeah, it can be a busy time during them months, and some people think, oh, I'll have a head start and start sowing my seeds in January time. Some seeds you can sow this month, like your aubergines, your peppers and your chilies, but make sure they have enough light and warmth to get growing. But hold off on the other seeds, especially like tomatoes. I don't sow mine until March because then they get good strength, they grow well, they're not leggy, and yeah, they grow a lot better in March time, and they soon catch up as well, and they'll get growing pretty well and strong and hopefully produce lots of fruit all the way up to October. So it's a case of not rushing with sowing your seeds. Now, a lot of seed packets do say like start them off in January, February time, but I tend to hold off. That's sometimes more for the warmer areas like Cornwall, which is a bit warmer, but not up north. So sometimes waiting is best, and like I said, things will soon catch up with growing down at the plot. So it's a case of not being eager and not getting too fast in growing stuff, really. I know it's tempting to get things started and get things growing early so that you're not having to do much later on, but waiting that extra bit of time is a lot better. Now, I used to do that when I first got my plot. I used to read the seed packets and think, oh, I can start that this month. But then I learned over the years that it's not best to. It's best to wait until the warmer months in March. And yeah, sometimes we get a little heat wave, which will help with the germination. And that's what I've done for about 15, 16 years now. I start things off in March. There's not much to be doing down at the plot in January, February time. I use this time as a time for preparation and doing any improvements down at the plot, and just being outside in the fresh air, because winter can be a dull and miserable month, and it's good to be outside and good to be in the fresh air and just enjoy being in the garden during these months as well. So don't rush, take your time, because the busy months are ahead. So just enjoy the quiet time of January and February, and then get ready for the mad mission of March in sowing all those seeds. So sit back, relax and enjoy the time before it gets busy. Make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our videos and when we're going to be sowing all our seeds. Until next time, everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.